What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2014 Ford Escape with a coolant. Let's check it out. We have P1299 cylinder head over temperature protection active, so basically reduce engine power. Then we have P2560 engine coolant level low, clearly because of the leak, which it started to overheat, and then put it in reduced engine power to try to cool itself back down. Upon further inspection, I find this water control valve is leaking coolant from the body of the valve itself. You can see where the coolant has been seeping from the body of the valve itself. No more leaking now. Regulating at operating temperature. Well, guys, control valve replaced. Engine no longer overheating or leaking. I think it's safe to say my work here is done. So until next time, guys,